Best New Minivans and Vans of 2022. Society may tell you that vans are frumpy, but those in the know will agree that today's minivans offer more practicality than SUVs, and some full-size vans offer towing and hauling capabilities that rival those of pickup trucks. There's no other body style on the market that is as flexible as a modern minivan. When it comes to getting down and dirty, commercial cargo and work vans have exactly what's needed to get the job done. The vans in the list below are built to serve both fleets and families. Chrysler Pacifica. Practical, comfortable, graceful, and undeniably handsome, the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica has family transportation down pat. It's offered with either a regular V6 or a plug-in hybrid powertrain, and can be equipped with optional all-wheel drive. Its refined road manners make the Pacifica a pleasure to drive, whether you're logging interstate road trip miles or simply shuttling kids to the high school football game, making it worthy of an Editor's Choice Award. Cargo capacity is vast, especially with the second and third rows folded flat into their built-in alcoves in the Pacifica's floor. Chrysler Voyager. When production finally stopped on the old Dodge Caravan, that left a gap in the market for a cheap minivan, enter the 2022 Chrysler Voyager. Based on the ritzier Chrysler Pacifica, the Voyager wears last year's fashion. Its styling is a ripoff of the pre-facelift Pacifica, and it's been stripped of niceties such as leather upholstery and high-tech driver assist to hit its budget-friendly price. Honda Odyssey. From road trips to in-town grocery runs, the 2022 Honda Odyssey is an ideal companion for any family, and that's why we put it on our Editor's Choice list. Its cabin is spacious and offers plenty of flexibility, whether you need it to haul a soccer team or a load of home improvement supplies. For times when long-haul driving is on the menu, its smooth and efficient V6 engine is unobtrusive when cruising and powerful enough for passing. Kia Carnival. The makeover of Kia's minivan is such a dramatic one that it even includes an all-new name, Carnival. The 2022 Carnival replaces the aging Sedona in Kia's lineup, and its boxy SUV-like styling is no accident, as the Korean automaker aims to capitalize on the success of its critically acclaimed and hot-selling Telluride SUV. Large wheels, crossover-like proportions, and signature daytime running lights that flow into the grille give the van an upscale SUV vibe that reminds us of a Range Rover. All Carnival models are powered by a 290 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Toyota Sienna. If you think that the 2022 Sienna looks more like an SUV than a minivan, that was Toyota's intent. Although the sliding side doors are a giveaway, the van's muscular body sides, roof rack, and flat hood help it blend in with the brand's other SUVs such as the midsize Highlander and the full-size Sequoia. What you won't find here that you do in those SUVs is a V6 or V8 engine. Instead, the Sienna is offered exclusively as a hybrid, front-wheel drive is standard and all-wheel drive is optional. Ford Transit Connect. The 2022 Ford Transit Connect's maneuverability and versatility make it a great city van, but its unrefined nature and unremarkable engines leave a lot to be desired. However, for the various tradespeople who will find it most useful, those demerits should be easier to stomach. Available as a hollowed-out cargo van or one that'll hold up to 7 passengers, the Transit Connect can be configured for a multitude of jobs. There's also a choice of short or long wheelbases and a rear liftgate or symmetrical rear doors. Ford even offers popular features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as driver assist such as adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring.